Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of allocating resources to a work order within the Delivery Lead Workbench. We are focusing on work order number 43, associated with Delma Energy, though it's tied to a different site. Most resources for this order are ready, except for one critical role, a heavy vehicle driver, categorized under crew resources. Internal resources have already been issued, including any items needing rounding, for example 2.7 rounded to 3 as per policy. All client responsibilities have been validated and marked with a thumbs up, indicating readiness. There's also a consumable item the client must arrange, which has been verified but currently shows 0 available quantity on the system. Available resources reflect only those currently issued to or held by the delivery lead. Items pending internal issuance or client arrangement do not appear in the available list. To proceed, we need to allocate the heavy vehicle driver. We'll switch to the crew allocation application and initiate the crew allocation process. We select Add to begin a new allocation. The system auto-generates the allocation number, captures today's date, and prompts us to link to the correct work order. In this case, work order 43. Once selected, the project details, site, delivery lead, and required duration, April 30th to May 1st, are auto-filled. After saving the header, we're shown a requirement. One crew resource is needed. We click Add under Allocation Details to view matching available resources. The system lists 3 competent heavy vehicle drivers for this period. We select one who, despite having a primary skill as a CNC operator, is also qualified as a heavy vehicle driver. Once selected, the allocation is confirmed. Returning to the Delivery Lead Workbench, we now see all resource indicators marked as ready. This confirms the crew requirement is fully met, and the work order is now ready for execution. This video covered the complete process of crew allocation against a work order, ensuring service readiness. In our next video, we'll demonstrate the actual execution steps of this work order. Thank you for watching.